Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are doing very good. And today in this video of Excel tips and tricks, I'm going to show you a method of dividing the range with any number you want and at once. Okay, I know you already know the formula of dividing something with some number, but this is a bit different. Okay, and we are going to use and divide all these this complete range with a one click. Okay, suppose if you want to divide the all the numbers in this column, and suppose it's 17, the 17 number you want to divide all these number with 17. What you need to do is just copy this 17 number here, okay, and select your range. Just select the range, and now go to paste special, paste and paste special, keep the paste as all and click divide. Okay, and boom, it's all the range now divided by 17. So it is very easy. Similarly, in the same manner, you can multiply this number with any number you want. You can multiply the range with any number you want. Go to paste special, multiply, we have, boom. So this way you can multiply or divide any range you want very quickly. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.